In 1733, the British government enforced the Molasses Act by placing a 6-pence tax per gallon of molasses. Though colonists evaded this tax, this act marked the beginning of a series of events that would ultimately lead to the American Revolution. The Currency Acts, which followed years later, the first in 1751 and the second in 1764, restricted the use of paper money for the payment of independent debts, and thereby created a hardship for the colonists because gold and silver were scarce. The next 10 years saw a significant increase in the frequency of these new taxes, pushing the American colonists ever closer to declaring independence. If you got sugar or molasses in 1764, because the British passed the Sugar Act, you'd have to pay a little bit more. They still protects their printed paper, but only in 1765. While the Quarter Act forced the housing of soldiers, though in peace they wouldn't comply. Await the freedom bird to fly. The freedom bird would soon fly high. The freedom bird would soon fly The Declaratory Act in '66 now gave Parliament full power of law, and towns should follow to raise revenue with new taxes on goods for all. When the colonists gathered in protest, the Boston Massacre was seen. And when pressured by the tea act, they dumped the tea into the sea. The company tea went into the sea. The Boston Tea Party in '73. The freedom bird was finally free. Sailed to Massachusetts straight to the Key. Something soon was going to change. Go and fly high, freedom bird, yeah. After the Boston Tea Party, the tension between the colonies and British government increased even more. In 1774, the Intolerable Acts were implemented to strip Massachusetts of self-government and many of their rights. The colonists responded by creating the first Continental Congress in protest. These acts included the Boston Port Act and the Massachusetts Government Act. Also included in the Intolerable Acts, the Administration of Justice Act, which states the governor could move trials of royal officials to another colony if they believed the trial would not be fair. The colonists interpreted this as a way for officials to exercise abuse without punishment and called it the Murder Act. Finally, there was the Quebec Act, which extended the boundaries of Quebec to the Ohio River and west to Michigan. In the rising tide of resentment and anger among the colonists, the British also declared the Quartering Act of 1774 to house soldiers in buildings like barns and inns. The oppression by the king and parliament eventually led to the colonies demanding self-government as a new nation, expressed in 1776 with the Declaration of Independence. Though true independence would still be years away, the birth of the United States of America emerged with this powerful document.